If you have a house in Lakewood, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying properties in and around Lakewood, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to explain why so many sellers in Lakewood prefer to work with us as a direct buyer with no middleman, rather than working a traditional type of process with a real estate agent and a traditional buyer who's using some type of mortgage or some type of lender. So first and foremost, the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep everything very easy for you, the seller. And the way we do that is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. You don't have to do anything to this thing. You don't have to fix it up. You don't got to go to the Home Depot. You don't got to pull out the Windex and the paper towels and clean the windows. You don't got to run a broom across the ground. You don't got to fix the broken window. You don't got to worry about the chipped paint. You don't got to worry about anything. We buy houses in any condition, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So you don't got to clean. You don't got to haul anything away. You can take anything that you want out of the house, all of your belongings, anything that you don't want or don't need. You just simply could leave that behind. We'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition is we're a true cash buyer. So we're not relying on a mortgage company or a bank or a lender. That's what you're going to get when you're dealing with more of a traditional buyer. So with a traditional buyer, when they are using their formal lender mortgage company, first off, if they have a real estate agent, that real estate agent's going to be expecting commission out of this deal, and more than likely, you might have to pay that. That's coming right out of your pocket. When you sell to us, there's no realtors involved. You don't need a realtor to sell your house when you're dealing with a direct buyer. You're the seller, we're the buyer. Let's get the thing done. We're going to make you a fair offer. There's no financing involved. There's no banks involved. But with a traditional buyer, if they got a realtor, there's commissions involved. If they're using a mortgage company or a mortgage lender, well, they're going to have a thorough inspection on this house, and that's where they check every single outlet and check every single light switch, and they check every ceiling fan, and they, scrutinize your house. They come up with pages and pages and pages of things that are wrong with the house. Half the stuff you already knew, right? The buyer already knew this stuff is wrong with the house, but they get this thorough inspection. It's for their bank, for their lender, and that could only be used against you as the seller. It's only going to cause delays or more cost. They're going to want you to fix things, and that's not what you're looking for. Now you're coming out of pocket to appease this lender, right? Whose business is it anyway? You just want to sell the house. Sell it in its as-is condition. Don't worry with these traditional buyers who have, these banks and whatnot that are involved. And then if you survive the inspection that they do, now they're going to send their appraiser out there, and oftentimes the appraiser is even worse than the inspector. This deal could die at any moment. They can pull the rug out from this deal, and you're going to be left right back to where you started, but you're worse off because you wasted a lot of time, because with real estate, time is money. Every day that goes by where you haven't closed on this house, number one, you're still paying for insurance. Number two, you're paying for property taxes. Number three, there's opportunity cost. This house should have been closed a long time ago, and if you sold to us, it's going to be closed when you tell us you want to close. We're going to close on your timeline, but there's opportunity cost. If you're waiting for this traditional buyer to magically qualify or whatever the case may be, that money, you should have already cashed out of this thing, and you should paying off whatever you want to pay off and go take a trip or go reinvest the money, whatever you're planning on doing with the proceeds from the sale. And when you sell to us, you're going to know exactly what you're going to net at the closing table, because it's simply the sales price minus any mortgage or property taxes that you got on the property. There is no hidden fees. You don't even got to pay for a notary. You don't got to pay for a recording of anything. Everything 100% is all inclusive. We're going to pay everything for you, so there's no surprises when you get to the closing table. So if you have a house in Lakewood and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website. We were founded in Columbus, but I'm born and raised in Cleveland. I'm very familiar with Lakewood, and the website that we have is just, it's too good of a website to get rid of the name. So with that being said, my name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you. And when we do speak, it's an easy conversation, just so you know. We just need to know more information on the house, and then know more information on the timeline that you want to close, so we can accommodate your needs. we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house, and if it works for you, great. We'll do it. We'll move forward, get this thing done for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, we simply can shake hands and part as friends. We're not going to leave a bad taste in your mouth. This isn't some pressure situation where we're going to create this fake urgency and try some sales tactics and gimmicks. That's not how this is. We're locals, okay? We're going to treat you like a neighbor, as we should, as you deserve to be treated. We're not some call center that's located in some foreign distant land who's trying to talk to you about your house in Lakewood and they have no idea what they're talking about. We've got a ton of credibility as far as references, referrals, and positive reviews. We're going to take care of you. We're going to treat you fair from the very first phone call up until we get this thing to the closing table when we get this thing closed with you. So if you have a house in Lakewood, you want to get a fair cash offer on it, or if you just want to see what your options are, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.